Stop paying for AI courses. I found 11 free AI courses that also give you certificates. And these are from Google, Microsoft, IBM, LinkedIn, top universities, and trusted platforms. So you can add these certificates to your LinkedIn profile and your resume. And I'll tell you which courses teach real AI skills, which ones are beginner friendly, requiring no technical background, and which ones help your career the fastest. Stay to the end. I'll give you the exact order to take them so you don't waste your time. But first, we're going to cover why should you get a certificate, and then I'll dive into the list of the 11 free courses. And the last part is which one to start with first. The courses I'm going to share are free and they offer certificates upon completion. However, some of the certifications require payment. I've made sure to include them in this list only if the required payment is under $100. And the reason I put together this list is because I'm frequently asked about AI courses that offer certifications that you can put on your resume. Now, I personally don't believe certificates help your resume stand out that much in 2025 and 2026. It is much more effective to build real AI projects, launch them, and cultivate a personal brand through organic social media, simply documenting your journey of building AI projects and launching them. However, I'm still very supportive of free courses and resources because I recognize many people prefer more structured learning paths. Real quick, if you don't know me, my name's Sabrina Ramonov. I previously built and sold an AI company for millions of dollars, and now I'm on a mission to teach 10 million people how to use AI. The first one is called IBM for Everyone, Master the Basics. This is a 4-week beginner-friendly course introducing AI concepts, apps, and ethical issues without requiring any technical background whatsoever. You can see the curriculum here, 4 weeks, 1 to 2 hours per week, with translation and transcripts in many other languages. And what's nice here is you learn about a broad range of things. You learn about what AI is, machine learning, deep learning, neural networks, and you get to hands-on explore generative AI tools like ChatGPT, how to adopt AI in your business, frameworks for AI adoption, issues like hallucination, ethics, and governance. You also do a final lab and a final project related to AI in business while also studying important topics like bias and frameworks for responsible AI adoption. This requires no technical background whatsoever, and the certificate is free. The next course on the list is also by IBM. It's called IBM Artificial Intelligence Fundamentals. This is a technical course, the most technical course on this list, and it has 6 different modules: Introduction to AI, Natural Language Processing and Computer Vision, Machine Learning and Deep Learning, Run AI Models with IBM Watson Studio, AI Ethics, and Your Future in AI. This course covers developing AI models as well as business applications. It's about 9 hours in total. There are some optional courses as well, like Mastering the Art of Prompting, which is not necessary for the certificate. Once you sign up for free, click this link, Artificial Intelligence Fundamentals Learning Plan, and it's going to direct you to exactly the required courses you need to take here, and then the optional courses as well. And the certificate is included for free, but this is the most technical course on the list. Number 3 is called Elements of AI. This is a university accredited introductory course to AI and machine learning, and it is mildly technical. It's available in 20 languages and has over 1.8 million students already. So the course has 2 parts: Introduction to AI and Building AI. I'll click into this so you can see what it includes. So the Introduction to AI includes real-world AI, machine learning, neural networks, and the implications of AI, followed by Building AI, which is technical. It's recommended you have a little bit of experience in Python, so you can dive into machine learning, neural networks, and actually building little versions of these. However, this course was created several years ago, and it honestly does not dive into much detail into generative AI tools like ChatGPT. But the nice thing is it's free. Certificate included is also free, but this is also a technical course. Number 4 on the list is this free online certificate in AI and career empowerment from the University of Maryland Robert Smith School of Business. And this is really for early to mid-career professionals who are interested in staying up to date with AI, meaning not falling behind. And it nicely blends some AI basics with real-world business applications, such as AI in your big organization, AI in supply chain, AI in financial services. The second module is around career empowerment. What if you want to do AI consulting for startups? how do you search for jobs in the age of AI? So this is a really nice course, again, for early and mid-career professionals that want to navigate the workplace in the age of AI. And it is free, and the certificate is also included for free. Number 5 is HP's AI for Business Professionals course. You can see 46,000 students have enrolled in it. And the nice thing about this is it's a very short 60-minute course designed for working professionals. And it'll compare AI tools, share practical use cases for marketing, communications, and operations, and also provide some prompt engineering tips. It's pretty short, it's surface level, and it's very beginner friendly. And the nice thing, again, is the course is free and the certificate is included for free. You don't need any technical background whatsoever. Number 6 on the list is Deeplearning.AI's course, AI for Everyone. This is a non-technical course, 6 hours long, taught by Andrew Ng, who's one of my favorite AI educators personally, and it helps you understand AI fundamentals and spot ways to apply AI or opportunities to apply AI to problems at work. You'll see examples of what AI can do, what it can't do, get comfortable with AI terminology, and how quality data drives quality AI output. Week 2 is in building AI projects. Week 3 is thinking about AI in your company and where it can be applied. And week 4 talks about AI and its impacts on society, including discrimination, bias, and adversarial uses, so negative uses. However, this course is also several years old, and it does not dive deep into discussions on generative AI technologies such as ChatGPT. So this is more of a nice course to learn about AI in general and how to think about it, how to talk about it, but it's not super hands-on learning newer tools like ChatGPT. So the course is free and there is a certificate, but this certificate costs $49. The nice thing is it's non-technical, so you don't need any technical background whatsoever to earn the certificate. Number 7 is Generative AI Leader by Google. This is for business leaders and again does not require any hands-on technical experience. It covers 4 key areas and it does require you to pass a 90-minute exam that costs $99 to take. And the exam is broken out into 4 different areas. So fundamentals of generative AI, Google Cloud's generative AI services, techniques to improve model output, and strategies to successfully deploy generative AI. When you're on this page, make sure to click this link, follow the Generative AI Leader learning path. This is where you can actually access the courses that are required. And this course is really nice because it dives deeper into modern, newer tools like generative AI. It's going to use the Google Suite. So you're going to learn about Gemini, Notebook LM, and Google AI Studio. And all 3 tools are really, really, really powerful. So even if you're not familiar with them, this is a really great course to get introduced to them. The certificate is included, but again, it costs $99 to take that 90-minute exam to earn the certificate. However, no technical background is required. The next 4 courses I'm going to talk about are free only if you have a LinkedIn Premium account, which includes unlimited access to LinkedIn Learning. This means that if you have a LinkedIn Premium account, you can earn all 4 of the certificates that I'm going to talk about at 0 additional cost. Plus, you can grab any other certificate from other LinkedIn Learning courses as well. And make sure to check with your employer whether you have LinkedIn Premium or access to LinkedIn Learning. And in many cases, if you ask your employer nicely, they'll probably buy you a LinkedIn Premium account for a couple months. Okay, the first course is Career Essentials in Generative AI by Microsoft and LinkedIn. This consists of about 6 hours of courses on the basics around generative AI, ethical use, and practical workflow integration. You can see the modules down here. In particular, you'll learn how to use Microsoft Copilot to enhance productivity in Microsoft Word, Excel, and Outlook, as well as common challenges in real-world AI deployments. So the certificate is included and there's 0 additional cost if you are already a LinkedIn Premium member, and this requires no technical background whatsoever. Number 9 on the list is also in LinkedIn Learning, Human Skills in the Age of AI by Microsoft and LinkedIn. And this course is nice because it helps you improve your adaptability, communication, social intelligence, creativity, and most importantly, decision-making in an AI-driven workplace. So the goal of this course is to teach you how to leverage AI by leading with your human judgment and creativity rather than relying on AI to replace your human judgment and creativity. And again, this certificate costs 0 if you are already paying for LinkedIn Premium, and it's really nice. You can feature this on your LinkedIn profile as well as your resume. Number 10 on the list is AI for organizational leaders by Microsoft and LinkedIn. You can see the difficulty level here is a little bit higher. It's intermediate. This is specifically for training executives on how to integrate AI into your overall business strategy, how to manage ethical risks, and how to build AI literacy across your company, which is really, really important. It includes 6 different courses discussing leadership challenges, responsible AI use and governance, strategic AI adoption, how to manage innovation and encourage it, and upskilling your team. And again, the certificate is included at zero additional cost if you are already paying for LinkedIn Premium or if you have access to LinkedIn Learning through your employer. And the last LinkedIn Learning course I'll mention is AI for Managers by Microsoft and LinkedIn. This is a beginner intermediate level course that teaches you how to use generative AI for day-to-day management, coaching, and team development. It has 6 different courses, so things like AI-assisted people management, how to do career conversations, coaching enhancement, how to use AI to help you role play those conversations and brainstorm different approaches. And again, this is included at no additional cost if you already have access to LinkedIn Premium or Learning. And bonus number 12 I'll include, even though this does not technically include a certificate, but if you go to sabrina.dev/p/start, you can see all of my free AI tutorials, automations, and guides. This is all available completely for free. And to be honest, it's not as structured of a learning path as some of the other courses I mentioned. I've spent a lot of time creating this helpful educational material, so I hope you can benefit from it. If you want the links to all of the courses I talked about in this video, I will drop a link to my newsletter accompanying this video, and it will have all of the courses laid out with links. Now, the last thing we'll talk about is how to choose which course is right for you, and there isn't a one-size-fit-all answer for everybody. Like I said in the beginning, if you could only choose one course out of all of these to take, I would recommend IBM AI for Everyone, Master the Basics if you're non-technical, okay? And because this really goes through a lot of different topics from the very basics, like what is a chatbot? What is generative AI? And then it talks through all of the different terminology in detail. What is deep learning? What's a neural network? What's the difference between machine learning versus deep learning? Then it talks about AI applied to business and your career, as well as issues, concerns, and ethical consideration. I think this is a really great overview course, 4 weeks, 1 to 2 hours per week, and really, really nice, covering a wide range of topics. So if you could only choose one and you're non-technical, I would choose this one. Now, if you are technical, out of this list, I would recommend starting with the IBM Artificial Intelligence Fundamentals course because it includes hands-on building, understanding natural language processing, deep learning, how to run AI models with IBM Watson Studio. I also highly recommend checking out all the free courses available at Deeplearning.AI. I didn't dive to this resource as deeply because a lot of their courses are geared towards technical folks. And last, if you're in management or leadership at a company, I recommend this course, Generative AI Leader, because you learn the fundamentals of generative AI, how to talk about it, but also you learn about adoption framework, how to upskill your team, and business strategies for a successful generative AI rollout. I also like that you have to complete an exam to test your knowledge of this stuff, and so it's a little bit harder to actually earn this certification. Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, hit like, hit subscribe, and drop a comment below.